coming back from the early morning works. Gallops. Here's Pulsion. And Quik. The great Zenyatta. Justenuffhumor. Funny Bone. Looking at Lucky. Mind that bird.
What a beauty.
Einstein.
What a beauty. And the most underestimated horse in America.
He's really flashy looking, isn't he?
Unbelievable. Look at this.
Hey, red free. Best friend of the day.
There's Einstein.
How many horses you got on your track right now? You probably got 200
Here's
horses
the
on the
spire.
track right now. Yeah, and they're still coming out. 7 o'clock.
Good luck. Thank you very much.
Aspire.
No, I saw you like when you were like a little bit.
There's Mr. Sidney.
Then there's a bunch of them too that are. We either sold the mares.
Like there's someone.
Here goes Goldikova.
That's an awesome horse.
My pick for the mile. There's Awesome Jim. A lot of horses today that weren't out yesterday. Here's Einstein. Einstein comes. Yeah, I am.